G'day guys, Wes from Unsealed. So what I want to do is show you guys the best way to give your winch a run. At the end of the day, every month, every 2 months, you want to be doing this. So unspooling your winch, re-spooling it in. The way I do it, I usually hook up to a little tree. Obviously there's bugger all weight and I'm a very slight incline coming up to the tree. So I reverse back off the winch and then spool the winch back on under a little bit of load. But you've got to think, your winch it's got a motor on the end of it, full stop. So just like your four-wheel drive, you wouldn't sit there and leave it, just say you're going away for 12 months, you wouldn't let it sit there and not get used. You'd have someone drive around the block, start it up, whatever. Exactly the same deal. You put a winch in the front of your car, you leave it for 12 months till you need it. Chances are when you need it, it's not going to go. The motor will have corroded, the gearbox will have locked up, whatever the case may be, all right? So every month or so, get in your rig and do this. If you're using it every single weekend because you drive a Datsun, then it is what it is, that's fine. You don't need to do this. If you drive a Toyota and you don't need to get recovered or recover your mates every single weekend, and you use your winch once in a blue moon, you need to be doing this. So anyway, this is how to do it. And that's it. So really simple, nice and easy. I'm gonna roll the last little bit on by hand, but other than that, piece of cake. Cheers guys.